What's up, y'all? This is Keon with Executive Custom Landscaping, and we back at this property that we was at the other day. And today we're gonna be taking down this bush. Okay, so let me show y'all the bush again. All right, so we started trimming this bush and everything, and the customer decided that they just want to cut the bush down because it attracts a lot of flies, and they can't sit on their porch. There's so many flies and things that like to attract to this bush, so they just rather get rid of it. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this bad boy today, and to do so, we went on out and got a chainsaw. All right, so I don't do that much tree work myself, so I decided to go purchase a chainsaw. I ain't need anything real super heavy duty right now. If I need to, I'll go buy another chainsaw, a bigger chainsaw, more powerful chainsaw. I'm hoping that this little bad boy can handle getting the job done. But we have the CS-3510 from Echo. It's a gas powered chainsaw. It's got a 34.4 cc gas powered engine, and we're gonna see what this bad boy about today. All right, so walking around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this thing unboxed, and then we're gonna see how good it is. All right, so stay tuned. Let me get it out the box. All right, so we got it taken out the box, and this is what it looks like. Again, we have the CS-3510. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It comes with the power bank load, the 2-stroke engine oil. Okay, and then it comes with the little tightener for when the chain. This is for when the if the chain gets a little loose, you can tighten it back up with this thing here. And you'll just tighten it up with this here. All right, anybody who's familiar with chainsaws, they pretty much all come with the same thing. Around this side of it, this is where you put your oil mix. This side just where you put your bar and chain oil at. Okay, so we're gonna get this thing loaded up with what it needs, and then we're gonna crank it up, so just stay tuned. All right, so I already have some bar and chain oil. It's the Power Care bar and chain oil. Again, it goes in this slot here, and then I'm gonna put my mix there, and then we're gonna get this thing cranked up. So I just want to show y'all what we're using. I already have some mix here, so we'll be going and filling this thing up and getting it started. All right, so just hold tight. Cutting now, so let's see if I can get y'all some footage. Right now, this thing is working like a charm, y'all. Cutting right through it like butter. Small branches, so we'll see when we get down to like the base of this thing. Alright, I'm gonna finish cutting this thing down. Got this thing. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoying this. I'm gonna show y'all the bright after when I'm completely done, and that's my review. That's really good quality thing. Alright, so just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we all finished up over here. We're gonna come pick up the breed tomorrow morning and take it to the place where we get rid of it. But let me show y'all, man. Let me tell you, this Echo CS-3510 was a little beast, man. For this little small type of bush, this little sucker get down. All right, so we're gonna go get her cleaned up and go put her back down. But it's the Echo CS-3510. All right, there we go. And as y'all can see, it cut that sucker down, right? All right, no hiccups, no anything. I mean, it just went through it like butter, and that's all we got left. She wanted to cut it down to the stump and cut it down as far as we can safely cut it down. All right, so later on, if she want to get this stump removed, then we'll do something with it. But I'm gonna clean this up and real nice for tomorrow. But I gotta give it 10 thumbs up. However many, 2 thumbs up. I mean, however many you gotta be able to give it. All right. So yeah, unfortunately, I won't use Ryobi or none of the lower model chainsaws. I won't even waste my money on them. From now on, I'll go Echo or better, or some kind of commercial grade chainsaws, because, or I'll say professional grade chainsaws, okay? Or just, you know, it's just the longevity of it, just to be able to go in and get the job done, do what you gotta do. It's like day and night, all right? So that's just my recommendation. So I'm giving the Echo CS-3510 2 thumbs up, all right? So if you're in the market for a chainsaw, it's not a paid sponsorship or anything, but like I say, I would recommend this Echo CS-3510, all right? I appreciate y'all tuning in on this review, and I'll see y'all the next one.